Okay, so first thing that you have to do is you want to identify all the factors of the denominator by factoring. So x squared minus x minus 6, that factors as x minus 3, x plus 2. This factors as 6 is 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, so you know that this is x plus 2 times x plus 3. Equals to, this is difference of squares, x squared minus 3 squared. And difference of squares, they factor as sum and a difference. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to list all the factors because you want to get rid of the denominator. You want to list all the factors of the denominator because you want to get rid of all the denominators by multiplying the least thing that you can multiply. Okay, so I see an x minus 3 as a factor. I see x plus 2 as a factor. I already have x plus 2 in the list, so that's okay. I have x plus 3. I don't have that. And we have x minus 3, but x plus 3 is different from x minus 3. So I have that. You have these. And this last one, x plus 3, is already there. X minus 3 is already there. So this is all the factors that we need to multiply, or these are the factors that we need to cancel. We need to get rid of these. Okay? How do you get rid of them? You multiply all of those everywhere. Remember, when you treat all the terms, treat an equation, both sides should be treated the same way, and when you multiply something, all of them gets to be multiplied by the same exact thing. So you can't just pick and choose what you multiply. You have to multiply the same thing for all of these terms. Okay? So we write down x minus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3 to the first one. Plus, again, same thing, x minus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3 for the second one. Okay, and then that's equal to the right side, which is x minus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3, for 3x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x, no. I was writing down the wrong thing, right? On the right side, it's 20x over x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay. So now let's keep canceling. X minus 3 cancels. X plus 2 cancels. There's nothing to cancel. That's what's left. Here, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 3 cancels. Here, x plus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. Okay, so what's left? I have x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. Don't forget this parenthesis. Here, x minus 3 times 3x minus 1. On the right side, that's x plus 2 times 20x. Okay. All right, what's this? This is 2x squared. Inner is 6, outer is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. I'm doing FOIL. First, outer, inner, and then last. 3 times 1, that's the last one, so that's 3. That's 3x squared. Outer is negative 1, inner is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 1 is negative 10. Plus 3. Here it's 20x squared plus 40x. Okay. Now move everything to the right side. 2 plus 3 is 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. So 0 equals to 5x squared, 15x squared. 7 minus 10 is negative 3 plus 40. So we're going to get 43x. Okay, and then 3, that's 6, so it should be negative 6. Did I get something wrong? Did you guys get this?
15x squared plus 43x minus 6.
Yeah, that's what you got? Okay. Okay, 45, oh, so it does work. So if you look for the two numbers that multiply to a times b equals to 15 times negative 6, what's that? That's negative 90. And a plus b equals to 43. Those two numbers are 45 and negative 2. Negative 2 times 45 is negative 90. If you add these two, you get 43. Okay, so what you can do is now split the middle part into 15x squared plus 45x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, and then factor by grouping. This is 15x times x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3. So x plus 3 common, you factor it. You end up with x equals to negative 3 and x equals to 2 over 15. But remember that we had one of these factors as x plus 3, x minus 3. So if you plug in negative 3 in here, what's going to happen?
Cancel.
You're going to get 0 in the denominator, right?
Yeah.
So is negative 3 good or bad?
Bad.
Bad.
Very bad.
Very bad, yeah. And how about 2 over 15? None of these denominators will become by plugging in 2 over 15, so that's good. Okay, so the only answer is 2 over 15. That's how you do it. Ooh.